Email marketing is the soul of e-commerce, but if you are not using it properly, it won't generate any sales. Have you ever thought where the top companies like Overstock are getting majority of their sales from? The answer is simple: email marketing. That's how powerful it is. Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta, and today in this video I am going to share some effective email marketing strategies that can help you to attract, engage and delight more customers. Number 1. Not personalizing emails. When I say personalized email marketing, I don't mean that you send an individual email to everyone. Personalization means you use customers' data to create a personalized message. Let's take the example of Amazon. Amazon personalized every step of a customer's buying cycle, including engagement through email marketing. To Amazon, email marketing is not just another marketing channel, it's key to the overall customer experience. According to Moneybox Asia, if you send out an email campaign to 500,000 subscribers, you can generate up to $40,000 in revenue. That's a lot of additional revenue. But if you use personalization in your emails, you can expect a lot more. The simplest form of personalization is to address the reader by name. Amazon is best example for explaining this point. As you can see here that they have personalized their email according to the recent searches done by the user. This is an example sent by Amazon. In this, they have properly addressed the name of the recipient. Number 2. Know your audience. Most email marketing campaigns don't work because of the sender treating each email recipient similarly. For example, the person who favored the blue wallpaper got an email that includes the green wallpaper, whereas the people who liked the green wallpaper were happy. The rest of the email recipients were not effective. So what to do now? So the solution is pretty simple. Do segmentation. Gather the maximum amount of information from geographic location, interest areas, buying habits, pain points, etc. and then arrange your list accordingly. If you have got a group of individuals who love one variety of your service and another group who doesn't care, create strategies accordingly. Number 3. Give stuff away. This may sound a bit silly, but giving free stuff can help you make more money. When customers find that you are giving something for free, the open rate rises. Every time someone opens an email, they may see different things they want to buy. The problem with giving is that it is irrational. Instead, we recommend something that has a much lower cost, but possibly a much higher value. Something like a white paper, information related to industry change, or maybe some tips, ideas and news, which can help customers solve their problem and guide them to use your product. Redistributing the content of your blog is also a great way to promote your website. The more valuable the information you provide, the more contacts you have. If you still want to provide more economical, attractive products, discount codes or free shipping are equally effective and cost less than gifted products. Number 4. Keep your layout simple. Don't load your layout with showy graphics, large fonts and other in-your-face items. Keep your layout clean and simple. Your layout ought to look skilled and easy to navigate. An excessively busy layout can flip your recipients off and send your email campaign or newsletter right into the junk file. For example, on the screen you can see this ugly layout with multiple boxes and the eye of visitors would go everywhere and there is no proper call to action. And this is a perfect example of wrong email layout. A correct layout should have a clear heading, single image, a proper CTA, easy to reach subscriber buttons, etc. These are the features which make a better and attractive layout. Let me show you a perfect example. On the screen, you can see a clear, crisp heading saying we want to hear from you. And together with that, without being too sleazy, telling them about their 50% off discount as well. Now, how many of you think that it is easy to click on the CTA button? Let's begin. or it's hard to find what the company Taylor Brands wants the recipients to do next. So, your layout should also be simple, attractive, and easy to understand. Number 5. Email without a call to action. What's the motive of sending an email promotion merchandise if you don't raise your customers to do something on the far side? Your action decision includes several things like asking customers to click on a link or to fill out a survey or create a purchase. No matter what call to action you choose, simply ensure you truly have one in the emails you send. Number 6. Create a compelling subject line. There are good subject lines like need more leads, here is the blueprint. Then there are bad subject lines like reminder, you are going to get dropped off my list. Which one you think your recipient is going to open? The good subject line, right? So come up with a specific and compelling subject line which is meant to grab the attention of your customer. Do not use hot button phrases like make money and earn money. Write subject lines that capture the recipient's attention and encourage them to search, but tell the fact at the same time. Number 7. Don't spam. The most vital email marketing campaign tip is to never spam your recipients. Spamming doesn't solely push your visitors away. However, it automatically takes your email to the trash folder or to the spam. You can avoid spamming and prioritize active users by making email lists. For example, as you can see, an email list is created which consists of people who have subscribed to the newsletter. By creating a personalized list, targeting the right audience becomes much easier. You can also create lists like this to know who all are interested in reading your emails. This is going to help you avoid spamming everyone and know your target audience. So these are my 7 effective email marketing strategies that can be helpful for you to attract, engage, and delight more customers. Which strategy did you like the best? Let me know in the comment section below. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye bye.